Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon guys. Today we are here in Kagoshima, Japan. Alright, so ayan guys, everything is really proper here in Japan. And ngayon guys, it's a holiday here. So medyo malamig and malamig and mahangin guys. Alright, so we have a samurai here behind me. So this is the southern part of Japan guys. And time medyo mainit pero malamig pa rin. People are wearing jacket. And ayan. So it's really windy guys. It's really windy. Malamig. Pasok tayo guys. And inside makikita natin. Hello! And ayan guys. Medyo may mga binibinta dito. No? They also have their sell their own local produce and local products. And wines. And they also have the typical samurai warrior. So marami silang mga binibinta dito guys. Okay? And meron din mga pagkain, mga shirts, no? Na binibinta nila. And first and foremost is the rice food that they sold here. And they also sell bags here. So marami tayong makikita dito guys. So ayan guys, this is Japan. And typical guys, meron tayong mga binibinta dito, mga pagkain outside of the terminal. And ayan guys, marami silang mga binibinta dito na pwede natin kainin just to taste the Japanese food. Hi! So what really reminds me of Kagoshima guys was that my last visit here was 15 years ago guys. And I still remember up to this time, very vivid in my memory. There are kids playing their traditional dance and music, and yeah, right at this very place. And I'm taking pictures of those kids, and I could just remember guys, nowadays ano na kayang hitsura nila, because that was 15 years ago. They're probably grown-ups now. And just look at the photo guys that I'm attaching in this video, right at this very spot. Dito sila sumasayaw guys, again this background. So yeah, that was 15 years ago. And they have their traditional dance, traditional music, and drums. And yeah guys, maya they're gonna do also another traditional music here. Alright? And guys, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye!